Alrighty, guys. I thought I would do this video because I think a lot of you might recognize this sign in the background. That was my first audit, Wellfleet Police. And I see here in this article it says that they are implementing body-worn cameras. And it says here, Massachusetts Police Association says that only 10% of departments in the Commonwealth have a body-worn camera. Wow, I didn't realize it was so small. I thought Massachusetts was says here, for the past year and a half, the department has been preparing to deploy body-worn cameras in its offices to increase transparency, promote de-escalation, resolve citizen complaints, and provide as a valuable training tool. Says, according to Chief Hurley, the department has been a model on the Cape for having strong police-community relationship. And I would agree with that, guys. The only town on entire Cape Cod where I live where they had complaint forms available to the public without talking to anybody. You simply walked in, grabbed one, and left. So I would agree with what this man says here, that, they're very in touch with the people. I'm going to go on to say that the chief says, I'm proud that we are implementing this initiative and look forward to seeing how this program will further the support and progress we have made in the community policing. I want to thank the selectman, town administrator, and the community for their collaboration and the ongoing support of this program. We make Wellfleet one of the best and safest communities on the Cape. Wow. Great article, guys. You want to check it out, capecod.com. Again, that's my first audit there. You can see that sign in the background. If you saw my audit, you remember it. So go check it out. Peace and pot leaves, everybody. Peace and pot leaves. Have a great day. Bye.